Hey guys, Hannah here. We are gonna be trying something new tonight. Okay, let's go grab it. Sorry, I should have had it prepared, and I probably should have the light on. Right? Is the double light too much? We have like these little pork dumplings, but they're 100% vegan, plant-based, and I really am just not in the mood to eat anything except for chips. And I need to not do that. So I was like, I need to, actually eat something so I don't eat the next bag of chips that I have. Because I really am trying to eat better. So these are made out of, textured wheat protein. It doesn't matter as long as I can enjoy them. What I'm trying to find is how to cook them. Like, can I put them in the microwave? It says steamer or stovetop, so fried or steamed. I personally like them soft over crispy, but I might just do it on the stovetop because it's probably easier. And it takes less time to just cook them on the stove, so. Or I could, no. I'm surprised it doesn't say microwave, because on the bag it says simply heat and eat. I'm just gonna put them in the microwave. We're doing that. It all does the same thing. The stove, the steaming, the boiling, the oven, the microwave. It all is doing the same thing. Oh my gosh, I don't have my glasses on. I guess I don't need them. I really don't want me getting in this bag. Oh my god, they look so good. Usually I've just had like veggie ones. So this is very intriguing. Okay. So let's see how they are in less than 3 minutes, okay? So bear with me. I don't know what I was gonna say, but they're basically steaming in the microwave. Ooh, oh my god, you know what I should do? Learning from the squash video that I did, I'm gonna heat them up in the microwave, but in some water, so that they do kind of boil. I don't know, was that a good idea? Let's try it, because I think if you just put them in the microwave on their own, they're gonna be really dry. They're just gonna dry out. So let's do that. 1 second. I don't even know if you can see me, but I am bummed because I had to throw out all my stuff. Like, I don't have soy sauce. Honestly, I'm shocked this bag doesn't come with its own sauce. That would be my only complaint. This is a new company, Hungry Planet. So yeah, I eat mostly plant-based, but don't even worry about it. I haven't had an actual vegetable though in the longest time. Because the last time I bought a bag of lettuce and I didn't eat any of it, so I haven't bought lettuce since. Honestly, I don't know what I've been eating. Like chips, my yogurt granola bowls, stuff like that. Like, I haven't really been just interested in food in general. Like, I feel hunger, but I don't crave anything specific, and it's like the most frustrating thing. Oof. So the water is like extremely hot. So let's try them. That was a lot faster than I was thinking. The only sauce I have is my favorite hot sauce. This salsa picante Tabasco. Sorry. Okay. Let's strain them. So hot. I didn't rinse it. That bothered me. Okay, super hot, super soft. So that definitely cooked like under a minute. It's much rather do that. Unless they're soggy, then I'm gonna cook them on the stove because I don't like soggy food. Fighting with the fridge. I've been eating like grilled cheese and like crackers and cheese and jelly and a lot of crackers. So I keep like losing my mind, honestly. Maybe I have liquid aminos. Hang on, if I have liquid aminos. No, I have vinegar. What can I do with vinegar? I have Marmite. Marmite, let's try that. Isn't that like pure salt? This is gonna taste like soy sauce. Oh my god. Thank you, Dad. What a guy. I don't normally eat this stuff, so let's see what even, like, does it have soy? Because that's what soy sauce is, obviously. But I can't read it because the reflection is like shining on the glass and I can't, literally just cannot see the words. Okay, we're gonna use Marmite. Do you guys like Vegemite or Marmite? Am I even saying those right? As it's so hot. Like, I want to eat them. I'm the kind of person who kind of eats when it's burning hot and doesn't give a fuck if they burn their mouths. Like, I am so impatient. I don't want to wait for my food, but I can't even pick it up. I would eat it if my hands allowed me to hold it. Yeah, it's soggy. No, it's not soggy, sorry. Yeah, it's soggy on the outside, but the inside is like weird. The outside's fine, but the inside kind of like soaked in the water too much. Sorry. These are definitely supposed to be finger foods, right? I like this idea. That worked. I don't have to buy soy sauce for a minute. Gives a lot of flavor. I'm just gonna eat them like this. I might throw them in the... I might throw them on the stove to fry them a little bit. But I like them. Let's look at the inside. Too hot. Sorry, I'm eating them like this. It just looks like rice and chives. I don't know how it focuses. Is that how you do it? I don't really know. It just feels like rice. No, sorry. It's like a weird plant-based sausage. I don't know. I would get them again, definitely, because I love dumplings. So, just the fact that it's a dumpling. Thanks for watching. Have a good night, guys. Bye.